Oh my God, I'm here waiting for him right now. I am so goddamn excited. I see him. I see him. Let's go. Let's go. I am currently in Santa Fe Springs, California, which is just outside of Los Angeles. And we are picking up a load from here going up to Denver, Colorado. And I kind of chuckle because there is a massive winter storm covering a giant part of the United States right now. And I decided, hey, let's go to Denver. But I am going to Denver for a very, very specific reason. My son Braden and his wonderful girlfriend Maylee live in the Denver area. I am going up there to surprise him for his birthday. I've been in contact with Maylee. We're kind of making some plans on how to do it, and I am super excited because my heart has been missing him so bad. It's been a couple months since I've seen him, at least, and just chatting on the phone and stuff just doesn't cut it. Now, as I said earlier, there's a massive winter storm all over the place. So I decided I don't want to be in the weather because I just came out of Wyoming and it looked like this. Yeah, I don't want to get into that again. So I've decided I'm going to go the super duper long way. Let's get this journey started and head up to Denver, Colorado. So it's been about 2 hours since we've spoke last, and now we are golden, we are loaded, and we're gonna go strap down the load. We have ourselves a load of televisions. Big old load all the way. We got them all strapped down, and now it is officially time to get out of here. Shut these doors, what do you think? So you can see after we shut the door, I always throw a lock on. I lock everything I ever do. And then we have a bolt seal down here. It's just more of a high security seal. I have mixed feelings about them. Seems like the less conspicuous you are, the safer you are. But I also know that they have to keep their products safe. I am really excited to be getting out of here right now. Braden, I'm coming to see you. And I am stoked. Are you guys ready to go on a good trip? Because I sure am. Door shut. Here we go, friends. Well, here we are at the end of the first day of this load, and everything went pretty well today. As you can see, we went from Santa Fe Springs, and I'm currently in Casa Grande, Arizona, and I went all the way here non-stop. That was about 450 miles or so, and it was a good trip. Wind's blowing a little bit, it's nice out. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and then come back out here and just go to bed. So we'll see everybody in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. It is the start of the second day of this load, and as you can see on my face, it is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day out down here in Casa Grande, right? Yeah. So I slept good last night. Tried not to run the APU, which is the auxiliary power unit, and if you don't know what that is, when you turn it on, it either has air conditioning or heat, and has a generator and charges batteries, and you can plug things into the wall. But I tried not to run it, and I woke up last night and I was just like, I am so cold, and it got down like 30 degrees, so that makes sense. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some coffee, and by that time the tablet's doing an update, and we should be able to come back. The update should be done. We should start our clock and get our pre-trip on, get to stepping. I'm so excited to get up to see Braden. I should be within striking distance today, just a few hundred miles away at the end of the day. I'm hoping I'm not going to run into that weather. Hoping this was a good decision by adding the miles and going around. And I am super excited to get going today. Well, the coffee is done. Woo! Got me some bourbon pecan because I tried it the other day and I was like, this is pretty freaking delicious. We're having a pretty good morning. I hope the update on the tablet is done when we get to the truck so we can get our pre-trip on. It's currently 8:30 in the morning. I think I have about 4 minutes until my logbook is ready to be back on duty. Arizona, and we are getting our motion lotion on, and I cannot believe how slow this pump is. Like 60 gallons right now, and we should be at like 100 and something gallons by this point. But what do you do? It's part of the job. Just went around, dumped the tires, made sure we are good to go. And can I tell you how excited I am to go see Braden? Man, it is, I can't even describe it. The drive today has been fantastic. A little bit of construction traffic slowed us down a little bit, but other than that, it's been a great drive. Had some good tunes going on. Probably going to pop in a podcast after this, and just wanted to check in. So from Wilcox, we're going to head down to I-25 and start heading north, and hopefully hopefully we stay out of the weather. I did get a little recon from Braden today that it's pretty nice, cold but nice up in Denver. So you know, explained to him, oh, I just had this, I don't know. So should be pretty rad sauce. At 88 gallons now, free shower credit, and we'll check in soon. Well, here we are at the end of day number 2 with this load. I'm currently about, I think, 25 miles north of Las Vegas, New Mexico. Not the Vegas you're thinking of, but Las Vegas, New Mexico. And I'm going to kick it here tonight at the Old Rest area. The first one I have stayed in a very long time, but I'm tired. I feel like it's the end. And the next truck stop's about 45 minutes up the road, and Forget about it. Let's just stay here tonight. So tomorrow is the day. I'm so excited to go up and see my kid. I'm excited to surprise him, and I am just, my heart is so happy. It's been so long, and this truck coming by right now sounds really good. Yeah, it does. So I'm gonna take a little walk around. The stars tonight are spectacular. I'm in a short sleeve shirt and it's like 33 degrees out, so I need to put a jacket on as well. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody, and today's the day I get to go see Braden. I am so freaking excited. Oh my God, I had a hard time sleeping, and like I was up before the alarm. I was like, thunk, all right, let's go. So I am getting ready to go. I just wanted to say quick good morning, and what a freaking backdrop to say good morning to you, right? Holy moly. I am about 4.5, 5 hours from my destination in Denver, where I'm going to park the truck at the TA in Commerce City, and then we're going to go see B after that. So let's go get our truck on, shall we? Okay, everybody, we are entering Colorado, and this is the exciting day that I got to see my son after 4 freaking months. I am so excited. Had to stop off, had to share the sign with you. We're about 3 hours away from seeing my kid. So excited. Let's finish this trip together, shall we? Yep. Here we are in Denver! I am so freaking excited. I'm going to rent a spot for a couple days though, and that is okay because it's a safe spot and it's totally worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready. I'm going to pay for this spot for 2 nights, and I am going to take a shower, and we are going to head on over to go see Braden. So damn excited. All right, it's official. I got the Uber coming, and I'm walking out right now to go meet her, and we're gonna go Uber over to surprise Braden. Yeah, here we go. so damn excited. Oh my God, I'm here waiting for him right now. I am so goddamn excited. I'm just trying to hide out so he doesn't see me and they're coming in the other way. Oh, my heart is racing. I'm so excited. Okay, next clip will be us surprising him. All right, here we go. I just saw him walking in. Gonna sneak up around the corner. Not sure. Oh, I see him. I see him. Let's go. Let's go. So is the food here any good or what?
What?
What's up, kid? I got him. I got him. What are you doing? Wanted to see my kid on his birthday.
Oh my God. I knew something was up.
Hi.
Because you were asking about your parents in the car.
See, we're doing this. We're just, hey, say hi. We got him.
Hello.
And all because of her. The problem solvers. Okay, so this part of the trip is over. We'll be back. Hey everybody, welcome back to day number 2 of surprising this kid. So it is officially his birthday today. How old are you again?
24.
24 years old. We're in the Cherry Creek area on Clayton or something. And we're looking for some footage. We went to a hockey game last night, and how many fights were there?
3.
There's 3 fights, and the Avs won against the Calgary Flames 4-1. It was pretty rad. So now we're just driving around. We're trying to find some breakfast. We've been officially kicked out of the house from his fiance, so you know, birthday plans or something. So we're gonna go find some breakfast, and we will talk to you guys later. Hey B.
What up?
Think I raised you right?
I would say so.
So what's your football team?
The Niners.
San Francisco 49ers, a little bit of diehard faithfuls here, right?
Yep, 100%.
So where are we?
Well, we're in the Mile High City, so.
Maybe we're
At the wrong place, I think.
yeah, it's still cool though. Football's rad. Well, all good things have to come to an end, and I'm getting dropped off at the truck with the birthday boy right here. Had a fantastic time hanging out with them. Dinner, some drinks, some bowling, hockey games, laughs, dogs. We just did about everything. Got to meet the in-laws, hang out with them. Everybody's a wonderful time, wonderful family, and yeah, anything to say?
Thank you for coming, making the trip. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
What this kid said. All right, guys. We'll see everybody on the next clip. Real life, real vlog, real person. I miss my kid. Just dropped me off. It was 4 months, and now it's gonna be. It's not gonna be another 4 months. I can't do that. It was a freaking awesome weekend, but he just drove away, dropped me off. We both cried a little bit. Now back to life, back to trucking, back to Walmart to deliver these big screen TVs. Our next clip, friends, will probably be at Walmart. everybody. We are currently at the Walmart distribution center in Loveland, Colorado, and we're just hanging out in the bobtail section. Fun fact is, if you don't know what bobtail means, that means it is our truck without a trailer. We have to go drop our trailer on the door, we unhook, and then we all have to come over here to a waiting area and wait for a phone call that says that your trailer's done there, kid, go get it. So currently doing that. Still missing Braden, but what a fantastic weekend. It was much needed. So we are probably gonna go ahead and take a nap because we had a lot of stuff going on the last couple days, and I'm gonna wait for my phone call and then we'll get back after it with everybody. Paperwork is done. We are ready to go hook back up to the trailer. It's only, I think it only took about an hour, a little over an hour, so that's pretty good. The sun is out and it's another beautiful day up here. So let's go over, hook up to the trailer, and get out of here. There you go, everybody, another load together, and what a great load it was. My heart is so full from seeing my kid this weekend. I'm actually speechless. So until next time, friends, remember, eat more pancakes. You want to be on?
Sure.
So what's your name?
Monica.
Everybody, I just met Monica. She's from Arizona and she's coming home to
Colorado.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
I'm actually from here, but
there she is.
Yeah, so
exciting.
yeah, so exciting. Woo!
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.